everyone, welcome back to Car Wash, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about luxury SUVs of the year, the 2025 Lexus RX 350. A vehicle that blends sophistication, performance, and innovation, the RX 350 has always set benchmarks in the luxury SUV market. But does the 2025 model live up to the hype? Stick around and let's find out. Exterior. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention: the design. Lexus has truly reimagined the RX 350's front fascia for 2025. The iconic spindle grille is still here, but it's been refined with a sharper, more intricate mesh pattern that looks both aggressive and elegant. The LED headlights have been completely redesigned as well, now featuring a sleeker, more angular appearance with dynamic daytime running lights that give the SUV a modern and bold personality. Every detail screams premium, from the chrome accents framing the grille to the way the hood flows seamlessly into the front fenders. Moving to the side, the RX 350's silhouette is unmistakable, but it's received a subtle makeover for 2025. The bold character lines run from the front to the rear, emphasizing a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. Lexus has added larger 20-inch alloy wheels as standard, with an option to upgrade to stunning 21-inch machine-finished rims. These wheels not only enhance the SUV's aesthetics, but also improve ride quality. The floating roof design, enhanced by blacked-out pillars, adds a modern twist, and the chrome window trim gives it that extra touch of luxury. The side mirrors are now electronically folding and heated, with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring cameras. Now let's talk about the back. Lexus has made significant updates here too. The rear taillights are now a single continuous LED bar stretching across the width of the SUV, a design trend that's gaining popularity in the luxury segment. The Lexus badge has been replaced with bold lettering, giving the RX 350 a more contemporary vibe. The lower bumper integrates dual exhaust outlets with chrome accents, and there's a subtle spoiler at the top for an aerodynamic touch. It's safe to say the 2025 RX 350 looks just as impressive from the back as it does from the front. Interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately see why the RX 350 continues to dominate its segment. The cabin is nothing short of spectacular, combining luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Lexus has focused on minimalism, with a clean dashboard design that houses a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system is intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, the long-awaited physical volume knob is here. Thank you, Lexus. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, and it feels great to the touch. It comes with integrated controls for audio, phone, and the adaptive cruise control system. Behind the wheel, you have a fully digital 12.3-inch driver's display that's customizable to show everything from speed and navigation to performance data. The clarity of this display is stunning, making it easy to stay informed without taking your eyes off the road. In the center of the cabin, you'll find the massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which is the command center of the RX 350. The interface is crisp, responsive, and now includes over-the-air updates to ensure the latest software features are always available. Lexus has also integrated voice commands that actually work well. You can say things like, "Hey Lexus, turn up the temperature," and it responds instantly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as well as a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and available navigation with real-time traffic updates. The materials used in the interior are first class. The seats are upholstered in perforated leather, available in multiple color options, including a rich tan and a new deep red. They're also heated and ventilated in both the front and rear rows, ensuring comfort no matter the weather. The ambient lighting system now features 64 customizable colors, allowing you to set the perfect mood for any drive. And let's not forget the Mark Levinson 21-speaker premium audio system, which delivers concert-like sound quality. Alright, let's talk performance, because what's luxury without a little power under the hood? The 2025 RX 350 comes equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth shifts and a refined driving experience. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the RX 350 feels responsive and composed. The optional all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip, making it perfect for those who frequently encounter adverse weather conditions. Lexus has also included a drive mode select system, allowing you to switch between eco, normal, and sport modes to tailor the driving experience to your mood or the terrain. And with an estimated fuel economy of 24 miles per gallon combined, it's efficient for its class. The suspension has been fine-tuned to strike a balance between comfort and agility. The RX 350 glides over bumps and potholes effortlessly while remaining planted around corners. Lexus has also improved cabin insulation, so you'll enjoy a whisper-quiet ride, even at highway speeds. So, how much will this beauty set you back? The 2025 Lexus RX 350 starts at around $48,000 for the base model, with higher trims like the RX 350 F Sport topping out at about $60,000. Given the features, technology, and luxury on offer, it's competitively priced and continues to deliver exceptional value for money. To sum it up, the 2025 Lexus RX 350 is a masterpiece of luxury and engineering. From its bold exterior design and opulent interior to its impressive performance and advanced technology, this SUV proves why it's a leader in its segment. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly ride or a vehicle that makes a statement, the RX 350 delivers on all fronts. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth review of the 2025 Lexus RX 350. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Alerts, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the RX 350 or what car you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay alert.